Hello? Anybody in there? Hello? We have quite literally just walked into an old RAF site. It's very weird. It's like partially utilised. It's like a hippie community. One of the old magazine stores. Well, I'd assume it's a magazine store. Boing. Completely overgrown. Oh, it's not RAF, it's ROF. It's an ROF site. Built in 1941, the Royal Ordnance Factory at Healey Hall was designed as an assisted factory with guidance provided by specialised in 20-pound bombs for the RAF and also mortar shells for the army. During its operation, it filled 136 million 20-pound bombs and 4 million mortar bombs. It closed in 1943. It's mothballed into the 1950s, ready to be brought back into production if the Cold War escalated.
There's not much here.
No, I can't imagine there's much left. But it's a cool bit of history though, isn't it? But considering, that's good echo, how easily accessible this place is, I wouldn't expect there to be much left.
Jeez.
Jeez! Don't stop. Yeah, I would have no idea on how the site operated, the layout of everything. Don't really know what it takes to produce mass weapons. It's certainly a weird place to do it, isn't it? At the bottom of a valley. Well, I suppose it was definitely hidden away, so it'd be a hard target to go for. It's just a lovely echoey room, really. Oh. It is completely overgrown. It's actually quite cool.
The hell have you got door?
What? What on earth?
Welded loads of stuff to it so you can open it.
That's right. As you do. Yeah, probably best. Oh God! I nearly fell. I slipped. There was actually something to protect in this one, wasn't there? It's a fully sealed building. Bloody hell, Will.
Oh my God.
They're weird, aren't they? Yeah, the roof has seen better days, isn't it? Oh, it's a Rochdale brick. God, don't fall down there.
They took everything in a hole.
Yeah, well, you would do, wouldn't you? You'd try and cover it up as much as possible. Make it look at least like a target. Is it spiky? That's such a crude amendment. Oh well. Oh well.
What?
Oh. It's not a door. Why is there a bollard?
These are all really huge.
It's hard to tell what anything was used for.
Really well.
Yeah,
Apart from that. We're not missing out. There's nothing.
I know.
We're not missing
Yeah. It's just a warehouse building, isn't it? Now there's rooms in there, but I'm sure they're absolutely coated in water.
You got fresh seals.
They are. Why do people care about this place so much?
You think they're actually hiding them inside, but they're inside. Then why do they care?
I don't know. Is that where the men are fishing? So it is. Weird.
This is the back side of that building, so it's just empty.
Just an empty warehouse. But someone seems to take some care into sealing every so often. Yeah, it's just a waterlogged building. Odd. Really odd. This is certainly not one of my best videos, but it's a weird one. Guarded by an old lady doing art as well.